So this is our the see the paper, okay, I mean the page our. So first we'll check what is, I correct my name, okay, here like I am Mohammed Sabir, okay, document color, okay. Then first of all you make here personal data, just like position, inform, document controller, year of experience, how many, whatever, Indians, your date of birth, right? So you can also here you see here career summary. It must be, because if you put this one, so the recruiter any company when they make interview, easy is to know what is, I mean, how many experience. He doesn't want to read the all information, that he want the short story. So you can see this one, right? So just put it here like career summary, right? As example, I put it like I have 25-year plus prospective experience Saudi Arabia, India, Asia construction industry as a construction document controller. Most of the background in the construction, small mega projects, sewage, water, like this, okay, so and so. So then after you can put it the top skill, what are your top skill, you see this one. So just you can put the top skill. Then after just you put your education, what is your education and training course, if you done like this Econas, some like this use example I done this Econas Academy, some diploma. Core skill means what is your expertise, like MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, blah blah blah. And then competence score, just put it language, but you knows language, okay. Then after then you see the, I mean, professional experience, you see. So this is the main things, the professional experience, start day until now, and what which company you're working, okay. And then your position, then which client, and your projects, okay. Then duties and responsibility like update master log, blah blah blah, update the document list, contact document, like this. And after the other tenure, which date to till you work here, like this, okay. Then keep it like this, okay. Very important CV, right? Then you can put my, because this is my experience, I showing. So how you make a, because the recruiter knows easy to all information, how many experience you can see. So you just make your company same as it is and put it your responsibility. Main thing like, tenure, then company name, position, client name, and project, and job responsibilities. These are things. Then finally you can make here, okay, like this. So this is the, I think you understand what is the point, things you have to know about the CV. So main thing you need to know, I mean the main, when you make the company name like the tenure, company name, position, client, projects, okay. So they know what you can do and what is your, I mean, specificity, because the HR recruiter, they will ask question from here normally, will not hard if you know. So this is the, I just explained. So see you next video. Thank you for watch and like. Don't forget to subscribe and like, my friends. Okay, have a nice weekend. Okay, Allah Hafiz.